Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. My name is Rachna Rana. Today's topic is recursion means. Recursion. Recursion means function calling itself. And we take this recursion in Fibonacci series. For this, first of all, you have to clear about what is a function. Then you can understand Fibonacci series using recursion. So if you want to understand this program, then you have to watch my previous videos related to function. Then you can easily understand this program. Here in this program, we take int return type of Fibonacci function and int argument passed, means we take here argument passed and with return value. Here we use fourth type of user defined function. In main function, we take int main function. In this int n I is equal to 0, comma c. First of all, you have to scan n value. For example, here I am taking n is equal to 5. Then print this line, and after that we take the for loop. In for loop, when c is equal to 1, 1 is less than equal to 5, yes, then calling the function Fibonacci function, calling the function and pass argument i's value, and i's value will be first time 0. This value 0, and 0 value goes here when we call this function. Now here n's value 0. When then check the condition. If n equals 0, then return the value 0. So now first value print 0. After that I plus plus. Here I plus plus means now when we call this function, then we send 1. Then again check n equal 1, then return 1. Then second value will be 1. After that I increase i's value now 2, and here send 2. It check if n equal 0, no. If n equal 1, no. That means if n equal if these conditions are false, then else part will be executed. And in this part we take 5, we take n's value 2, 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. That means here 1, here 0. Means here 1 and v's value 0, and plus these two values we get 1, and this value will be third value. So we can say that Fibonacci series is next number is addition of previous two numbers. These two are previous number. When we add these two numbers, we get third number. When we add these two number, we get next number, that is 2. When we add these numbers, we get 3. When we add these number, we get 5. 1 2 3 4 5. We get these numbers of Fibonacci series because here n is equal to 5. If you understand all processing of this program, then can you read this description. Here I am writing each and every step how this program give the result with using recursion. Here recursion is this. This is a function this is a function Fibonacci, and in Fibonacci function call itself. Here this is a recursion, and this is the explanation of working of this program. In detail you can read this when you execute. If you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel for further notification. Thank you.